To fix the TikTok problem, you have been prohibited from broadcasting live because you have violated the community guidelines on several occasions. View details. You cannot do anything but to wait for your live access to be restored. The duration of the ban will vary depending on the severity of the violations you committed. In the meantime, you can still use TikTok and create content, but you will not be able to go live. You can also review the TikTok community guidelines to make sure that you are not violating any of the rules in the future. Here are some steps you can take to avoid getting banned from going live on TikTok. 1. Review TikTok's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's guidelines to understand what content is allowed and what's prohibited. 2. Delete any violating content. Remove any videos that may have violated the guidelines. 3. Appeal if necessary. If you believe your account was wrongly suspended or restricted, you can try to appeal through TikTok's support system. 4. Follow the rules. Moving forward, make sure to create and share content that adheres to TikTok's guidelines to avoid future issues. For specific assistance with your TikTok account, you should reach out to TikTok's official support or help center. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to TechSor for more videos.